Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Sorry about my eyeliner. If you haven't seen that video, go watch that video. I'm going right into my next video. Today we are talking Veja. I've been looking to try these, but I didn't think they would fit. So we're gonna see if they fit. I got the Veja Sneaker. They retail for $155, and I got it in a size 42. Because I wear a size 12, I got a trio of hook and loop straps perfect the fit of a court-inspired sneaker designed to make a difference. They say if you're in between sizes, order the next size down, and it has a unisex construction. It's a removable insole. They're made in Brazil. Leather upper, textile lining, rubber sole, and it is leather sourced from Rio Grande do Sul farms and tanned according to REACH norms. And the lining is made from recycled fabric and the sole of wild Amazonian rubber. That's interesting. Interesting to me, at least. All right, let's try them out. Let's first look at them and then put these bad boys on. Well, I was looking at the ones with shoelaces, but my wonderful daughter, she likes to chew on shoelaces, anything that, yeah. So I said, let's try the straps. So it comes in this box. And I think I've made a mistake because they say a 42 is a size 11. So I don't wear an 11. So let's still see. Oh, these are so cute. I wasn't sure if they were going to look kind of grandma-ish, but they don't, right? These are rubber right here, the V. Oh, I love them. I just hope they fit. I'm not sure they will if they say they're 11s. But here we go. See? And you know, I'm always looking for stuff for Disney when I can go back. And they look comfortable. So let's try them on. Okay, guys. Oh, they are so cute. These are so cute, but they're a little tight on me, just a little bit. I probably need to go up a size up. These are definitely not 11s or I wouldn't have been able to get them on, but oh, these are adorable. Yes, if I can find these in the next size up, because they're unisex, then maybe, because oh, these are cute. They're a little stiff though when you put them on though. Just to be clear, they don't feel super cushiony, but I wouldn't say they feel really cushiony at all per se, but they are, they just feel like regular sneakers, you know, nothing extra, but maybe because you have to, you know, work them in some a bit, but no, they're not cushiony like if you're looking for Air Force One's cushion or something of that nature. These are not it. But they are super cute. Yeah, I hope that helps you guys figure out if it's something you want to try or not. But these are adorable, and they do not look like old lady shoes because they don't have the because they have the straps instead of the why can't I think of that word? The shoelaces. Yeah. So yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing day and I will see you next time. Bye. Yeah, these are super cute. Super cute.